Hello, welcome back to ReddyControls. Did you ever had a issue with downloading to the controller? This is what I have right now in front of me. I have this error saying like I'm trying to download to a controller and it's giving unable to download controller because the revision of the offline project and the controller firmware are not compatible. So if you look at it's saying the controller had a version 36.011. The offline project which I have is of firmware revision 35011. So there are two options. We could either update the controller's firmware, which will take downtime. We have to stop the machine which is running, or we can revise the project revision to what the controller has, which is 3601. So we'll revise the project revision. So hit cancel here, right click on the controller properties, right click on the controller and then properties, which will give us to this general window, and we could use change controller and we can rev up to 36.00 and say apply. What this will do is this will update the controller properties to 36 firmware version in the file. One thing we need to note is if there are any differences in the instruction set, it will give out some errors. So we'll go ahead and say OK. And it's regenerating all the cross references. And you could say it's you can see the any errors that will show up here. Yep, so everything converted, we have no errors. We could check that by right click, verify the controller. If you have any errors, it will show up here. It's saying verifying controller complete with 0 errors and 0 warnings. So that's how you resolve the converted. Now we'll try to download it and see how the download goes. So we go ahead and download. We just need to select the path because it's showing the USB path. I'm connected to Ethernet. That's why it's saying. So we go back and do the RS-who net part. It's going to give us option to download. One other thing is if your previous path is USB in this case, and now I'm going online with Ethernet. If you want to set the path saved in the file, then you hit this set project path and it will update it to the Ethernet driver, and next time you could just go online. So we'll go ahead and download this file to the PLC. And it will give the do you want to download the offline project, and gives you all the warning signs and the danger signs of unexpected motion, and we hit download. And we can run into remote mode. So that's how you resolve unable to download to the controller issue. And if you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. We will see in the next video. Thank you.